Have you ever wondered how woodpeckers slam their faces into solid trees 20 times a second and don't end up with their brains turned into absolute soup? Seriously, if you tried to hammer your head against a tree at that speed, your brain would instantly log out of life. Woodpeckers endure an impact force of over 1,000 Gs. For context, a car crash at 60 Gs is enough to deploy your airbag and ruin your week. But these birds do it for breakfast. How? Because nature didn't give them a helmet, it gave them a seatbelt tongue. Instead of just sitting in its mouth like a normal animal, a woodpecker's tongue is ridiculously long. It literally exits the back of their jaw, wraps completely around the outside of their skull, and anchors right between their eyes. When they strike a tree, this tongue tenses up, acting as a biological shock absorber that holds their brain tightly in place so it doesn't rattle around. On top of that, their beak acts like a chisel, and their skull is made of spongy bone that distributes the shock. They are basically flying power tools with a built-in suspension system. The simple answer is, woodpeckers don't get brain damage because their tongue literally hugs their brain to keep it from exploding. If you think your skull needs a tongue seatbelt, just hit the subscribe button so we can explore more of nature's wildest body mods together.